Hey, hello, and welcome. Today I have a really awesome kit that I'm going to share with you. It comes from our Chalk X Tiffany collection, which is so cool. If you haven't checked it out, you have to. So today's keyword is going to be blooms, B-L-O-O-M-S. When you comment that, you'll get all of the links to the project supplies as well as the link to join my free DIY and crafting group. Also the link to become a Perks member with me and a club member. So many opportunities to enjoy the DIY projects that I do, and I want to share this one with you. This is a cute like sunflower. Isn't that so pretty? I am going to be using that on our clipboard. So this is a really cool kit. Now it comes with everything you see here. The clipboard stand, the design stencil, a package of our current jam chalk paste, which is a great color. You can do one and done on here and it'll be spectacular. I'm going to show you with a little more color on here. You're going to get a mini squeegee and of course a card with a QR code where you can scan that with your phone and watch a video on how to put this together. Now here we go. I am going to take the clip off. This is a nice solid piece of wood. And I just have to figure out, all right, that is the top. So the front of this is going to be where there's one hole only, okay? The back is where you're going to put the little stand, as well as you'll see the back of the screw right there when we put this together. So I'm going to leave this just the way it is. I'm going to give it a good waxing. When we're chalking with stencils, we do like to wax wood, okay? Here we go. Awesome. So once it's waxed, ooh, that feels really great. You want it to feel smooth, not tacky. If it's tacky, you're just gonna keep buffing it a little bit. All right, and then I am gonna fuzz this as well. So when you peel off your stencil, like I'm doing, it's sticky. And when we're working with wood especially, you want to kind of fuzz this a little bit. Get it a little bit less sticky. That way you have less chance of having anything stick to it. And I'm just gonna kind of center this the way it is right here. Beautiful. Now I'm going to grab a couple colors. I'm going to do a little pesto and some saffron. And I think I'll use the current jam so you can get a look at what that looks like here. And then, of course, the center of our sunflower is going to be espresso. So look at these beautiful colors. All right, I'm going to start up at the top with our flower petals. And I will use one of the mini squeegees. And I'm just going to squeegee across all of the petals. Here I'm just gonna squeegee over all of the chalk petals, or the flower petals with the chalk, and I'm just being careful to stay in the lines. Next I'm gonna switch out to the espresso and do that center before I do a little peeling, and I'll tell you why. Now I'm going to pull this up just to separate it a bit and let it flop back down. And then I'm going to move on to the rest. We do that so that we separate the chalk from the silkscreen and it won't dry on the silkscreen. And here comes that current jam. This is the color that comes with the kit. And remember, this kit is 20% off. So you're gonna love trying it out with an amazing price discount. next I'm just going to go ahead and dry this really quickly using our quick dry tool. Now to assemble this, we're going to take our little clip and we're going to put the screw through that top. So right here, okay, and it's going to go through that hole like so. I'm going to flip this over and put that little nut on the bolt. There we go. And then this is going to go right here. And then our stand stands up, and look at this. You can clip on whatever you want, like a little photo or anything. This is so cool. You can clip on a little photo or a little note or anything that you want. How cute is this? You can set it on your counter and leave notes for your kids and just know this is your little note center. This kit is 20% off when you comment the word BLOOMS today and you check it out on my website. Of course, Perks members are going to save an extra 30% off on top of the 20% off. So it's an amazing deal. And this is so cute. Remember, your stencil is going to be reusable. Your chalk paste, you're going to have lots left when you're finished. That is also, you can keep it and reuse it. The way I teach my friends to keep their paste, cut off here, the white part. After you use it, whatever's left, squish it down towards the color, roll this up, put a little piece of tape on it. Now you can see the color and you can see how much is left, and it will keep for a long time. So enjoy this. I hope you love our beautiful, what's it even called? I forget. Love Blooms project kit, and enjoy the discount. Thank you so much. Make sure you like and follow my page and join my group. When you comment Blooms, I'll send you the link to my free DIY and crafting group. You'll get more ideas, inspiration, and insider information inside. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.